So our neighbors just showed up and brought us these 2 huge fish that they caught yesterday.
They're still alive.
They are still alive. They're still...
As you can see, they're breathing.
They're breathing. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, yeah, they can see that one. I've only ever gutted a fish one time before in my life, and it was very terrifying. Yeah, so I gotta do that, which I'm excited to do because I really like the idea of fresh fish. I just don't know what I'm doing. I have a friend that is coming tonight to hang out for the next couple days, and she knows all about fish. So she's gonna teach us and show us all how to gut fish, clean fish, fillet fish, and then we'll cook them. Yeah, that's what happens.
We have a video. Yeah, it's massive.
Why is our bus such a disaster?
Because it's us.
Yeah, that's true. That's nowhere near there.
Yeah.
That's the thing is like, so it's like actually like it's right here. There's something literally right here that I cannot get through. I don't know what that is. What is this magical substance? I don't understand. Never.
Oh,
we did it. Nice. And then you guys can have fun with it. It's gonna be so great.
It's like there's one really hard scale.
There's like. You feel it right there. Put your hand right there. That's what we're trying to like cut through.
Oh yeah.
Like it's super hard.
Yeah. So making fish bone broth, which I've never done before. I don't know. It doesn't bother me.
Let's see how we're doing here.
So that's all it is.
Is that like?
Look
You magnify that. Even the gizzards don't want to come out.
Just gonna watch.
Cavity, yeah, the cavity is empty pretty much now. Other than like some. Before I go into the box to wash them. Nice.
Yeah.
You can continue to use it.
Alright.
But good luck. Don't hurt yourself. That was ridiculous.
As gruesome as this looks, we're gonna eat the whole fish. We're cooking this up tomorrow, and then Sabrina's gonna take the heads and make broth. We'll remove these fins, and the scales need to be removed, but the heads will be boiled for broth. Because if you look at these fish, they're massive from the Gulf of Mexico. There's a lot of meat on this head. A ton of meat, like a northern pike. It's a big fish, but not this big. So I just tried to fillet it the best I can. I've never really dealt with this fish, or any fish for that matter, but there's a ton of meat. Just cook it like that. I fillet those fish as best we could. There's a ton of meat on those. I mean, that just looks gorgeous. I don't care what you say. That just looks beautiful. Salt, pepper, chili, simple. I'm gonna squeeze lime juice over it, and back home that's what we call Bob's your uncle.